I'd recommend it to everybody with a floor. My attitude towards domestic chores has always been a pretty bad attitude. I've tried to avoid it as much as I can. And I'm the kind of person who vacuums maybe once or twice a week, but now I don't have to. It's really easy to use. So I found that as soon as I got the app and set it up, I've scheduled the vacuum cleaner to clean on its own, so I barely ever have to tell it what to do. But I've synced it up with my Google Home, so if ever it needs an extra clean, I can just ask Google to clean and it does it for me. It's really good for people who are busy, people maybe who are into their smart home tech. It works really well in the kitchen, which is like a linoleum floor, and the carpet is obviously what it's designed for, so it definitely does a great job on the carpet. Once it's low on battery, it just makes its way back to its little home, charges itself up, and then carries on, so I don't have to do anything. I think it's the future of vacuuming for sure. Like the equivalent of a dishwasher in my opinion. I wouldn't go back to using a scrub ever again, so why would I go back to using a manual vacuum cleaner? With my new free time, I've been not vacuuming. I've been spending a lot of time with my partner. We go on walks with our dog and enjoy the scenery.